The purpose of this Desmos lesson was for you to understand how to complete the square using an expression by using a manipulative. As you can see, the expression is x squared plus 8x and is represented by a blue square with 8 rectangles. The blue square represents the x squared because the side length right here is x and it's the same right here, which is x. Since x times x is x squared, it represents the x squared in the expression. We know the green rectangle represents 8x because we know the length of one side is x, and we know the length of one side right here is actually 1. And if you could see that it's 1 because you can see the length from here, which is 4 right here, 4, 0, 4, and if I go up all the way to the top, you'll see it's 5. So we know this whole length right here is 1 unit. Now, to complete the square, the idea is to rearrange this expression into an orientation of a square. So the property of a square is that the side lengths are the same. But in this scenario, it's a rectangle shape because one side has x and the other side has x plus 8. The goal of this activity was to create a square by using the expression x squared plus 8x. So you are moving the diagram by using the red dot and you're adjusting it while keeping the 8x constant. So as you can see, I'm moving it around, and here I create a rectangle using x plus 5 and x plus 3. I haven't completed the square yet because the side lengths are not the same. So from this, I know that I have to start adjusting again, and I get x plus 4 and x plus 4. As a result, the expanded expression is represented by x squared plus 8x plus 16. The 16 comes from the 16 units on the corner. How do we know that these tiles are 1? Notice that the point right here is 6, 7. The point right here is 6, 6. We know the distance is 1. And we know from the distance from 6, 6 to 5, 6 is also 1. From this demonstration, the one thing that you should have picked up was that in order to complete the square, we use the 8x and we split it into 2 equally to complete the square because a square has equal sides. So as you can see, in the expression x squared plus 8x, we split 8x equally by creating 4 x's on each side of the square, and therefore our factored expression is x plus 4 squared.